What up, guys? Today is Saturday. Wait for my wife to get home. Gonna head to it's little like car meet. I don't think I've been to a car meet yet here in Rochester. I've been to like car events, like shows and stuff, but like car meets, I haven't been to a car meet yet. So I got my headphones on. I'm playing. You want more, baby? Yeah. Okay, I'm getting more strawberries. I just got my headphones on, just playing Call of Duty right now, waiting for my wife to come. But yeah, so I'm gonna bring the camera with me and let's see how it is. Hopefully it's not like I don't think it's like New York City where it's kind of crazy. So we'll see. Alright, just like that, we out. Car cleaned up, warmed up. Gotta close the garage. Got the Feel me? Got the fresh 12s on. Feel me? Still crisp. Got the fire hoodie. My pronouns are fuck you. But yeah. I'm good to go. Car warmed up. Put the camera up top. And yeah. Let's see what these car meets out here are about. I still haven't got the distributor on timing. I still haven't put it on timing. I've been slacking on it, so still can't really do like no pools and stuff like that. I mean, I could, but it won't be the best idea to do that with the timing being off, because it could really fuck something up. Oh, dang it.
Starting to fucking flake a little.
It's all good, bro. Why don't you wrap it?
I want to paint it. I got a buddy that'll paint it.
That'll paint it?
Yeah.
He paints good?
Yeah. Spanish dude.
Booth or no booth?
Yeah, he's got a whole shop.
I want to start touching up on. I want to start touching up on mine. This is not bad at all.
It looks like dog.
Bro, I'm telling you, the ones that are dog shit are always the fastest. Oh, that your turbo's all the way down there.
That's a Mitsubishi Evo turbo. It's FP red.
I've never seen a turbo so low. And you got the ABS. You still got everything in
Power
it.
steering, you know. The only thing it's missing is
Wait, the power steering still works?
Yeah.
And oh wow, that's crazy. Yo, this is insane.
I got that radiator delete though. I'm kidding.
That's Norm. What is this? LSV, right? Oh, yeah. GSR, LSV?
GSR body, LSV.
It's all-wheel drive. This thing is crazy. I've never seen one with a fucking power steering still.
Yo, the fucking antenna. I don't know what you want.
Now I want to see the box.
Yo, just feel the shifter. When you go to
Yeah. You're right. Yeah. It is. Yeah.
the billet.
I forgot. Yeah. It's not. It's the CRV cable, the
It's got
CRV
the
trans are the
adapter.
cables. Yeah. I see what you're saying. Yeah. Okay. Makes sense. That's what I was like, bro. There's a guy that makes A series shifters converted into B series. He has like
Spania?
nah. It's a guy. He makes it like he literally makes it on his own. He literally has like no. He has no hands.
Oh, word?
Yeah. He has like the stub, like a stub, literally.
Oh, like an amputee.
Yeah, he's like short and everything. He makes everything himself. Holy, this feels crazy.
You got a twin in yours?
Yeah.
See if my pedal feels any different than yours.
Oh, alright. Man, you fucking tall motherfucker. It feels a little more dead. Mine's is more like I don't know. But I'd also have
Heavy, you think?
no, I mean mine feels about the same, but you have a S2000 one or
No, this is still factory. I got so that's a tilt.
wait, so you're not running like a S2000?
Oh, like master? No,
yeah.
I have a Tilton master. So I got a Tilton twin disc, and I basically bought.
What is your
like
what clutch pedal? What clutch pedal do you have?
GSR.
So it's the stock one?
Yep.
Yeah, I got the blocks. I got the blocks one with the whole S2000 clutch
The Tilton has
cylinder.
a bigger plunger and a bigger throw. So
Mine's is short. Yeah, mine's is shorter. So it's like,
it's all the Tilton. It came with the whole kit.
dude, this feels crazy. This shit is like, bro. This shit is like you ain't missing a gear with this.
I find out a way to do it.
Fuck. Yeah, cause like mine's is like you still got that like even
slop.
Yeah, mine's is still like sloppy as fuck.
I had the Buddy Club with shifter bearings when I had the shift.
You got the fuel cell in the back.
shift,
You got this from AutoZone? I gotta get one. I gotta get one for my battery.
I got that online somewhere.
Bro, I saw it on AutoZone. That's what I gotta get for mine. Same exact one. Did he just drill a hole through it?
No, I got like a little piece of metal holding it down through the chassis.
Oh shit, dude. Oh, but mine's don't reach there. I was gonna say that I could put mine like that, but mine's don't reach because mine's is back here.
And then I could like. There is like.
Damn.
So it should strap through.
Oh, you got everything up top. Oh yeah, because you don't have enough space. And you're one of the twinsies.
044s.
Yeah, that's what the big boys running.
They're kind of loud, like when it's open up like this, but when everything's closed, like this is.
How many gallons is this?
15.
So it's almost like a stock thing, kind
And
of.
then I got one relay per pump. And the
Well,
reason
yeah, you need it,
the
yeah.
reason I ran two, because I still autocross the car, so I wanted one pump per pickup, and also if one pump dies, I have another pump.
Yeah, and
as a
that
backup.
one is more than enough for this shit too.
I think they're like 340 liter, something like that.
Yeah, one is more than enough. So, and this is so you're good like this, right? For the track, they let you run it with this.
I technically need a remote shut off.
Oh yeah. I remember they said that shit to me. That's why, like, if I do run mines this year, I think I'm just gonna run it one time and that's it. Cause I don't want to have the headache of having to run the kill switch to the back.
They don't make me do that.
Yeah, at the track and then back home they don't make you. I don't think
racing.
back home they let you do it because I see everyone with just cars and they just you could just
Well,
you
drag
just
racing
drive
in the
them.
autocross is a little different.
But here drag racing they make you do it though.
Yeah.
And back
So
home they don't make you do it.
That's my rollover valve, and you're supposed to have a vent for it. So then I drilled some. There's a little filter like you put on the valve cover. So I drilled some holes out here so it doesn't just hold
The pressure,
vapor, like vapor,
yeah. That's not good too, cause then it But is it the low?
catches on
Yeah,
fire,
the low. Yeah, the lower it gets to, the more pressure it gets.
Vapor is what catches, not the liquid.
Yeah.
But I'll start it too. It's quiet.
Oh yeah, I forgot you have full exhaust, right?
Yeah.
And how much you said it made? You don't know, right? How much it made?
Makes it like the setting right now. It's a little over 4. It's like 420, 430.
Oh, you can hear it. Oh, you wouldn't even realize it. You wouldn't even know. You wouldn't even fucking know, bro.
And then, you ready for the real pimp shit?
What? You have a cutoff? Oh.
Yo, tell me you don't see everyone's shit.
Nah, yeah, word. I thought you was, bro. I thought you had like a cutoff valve, or like an open valve or something. My guy pulled up with the whole time.
Yo, everybody should have. Yo, I still got a factory ring.
Yo. I wanted to do that to mine too. Make some vents for the intercooler.
It still runs.
Oh, that's crazy.
Yeah, you should have heard him when he was pulling. He was like,
Pretty nice. Yeah, I heard it. Not bad for a Subi. But I haven't seen the Eclipse in ages. He got the super OEM style too, just chilling.
It's actually hers.
Hers, wow.
Really, it's hers.
That's fire.
Yeah. And he's got the NSX out.
That one? Damn. I would love to get one of these, dude. I'm not gonna lie though. I like the old ones, but the new one would be crazy. Nice amount of cars, little chill vibe. Had everyone out here with the car, but not bad.
It looks like your brother.
What is that? What is making that noise?
That Mini Cooper.
It needs to. No, it's not. That's not the Mini Cooper, bro.
No, that was the Mini Cooper.
No, it was not. Cause he just moved.
You it was the Mini
he
Cooper.
just moved the car, bro. The car has a thing. Is that the? That is not the GTR making that noise.
No, it's the Mini. The Mini Cooper was making that noise.
No. The Mini Cooper has open header. Brum, brum, that one.
Oh,
that was
the V10. The V10M.
Oh my God. What do guys want to pick up the camera real quick? Finally picked up a radio for my car after since I've finished this car 2 years. I haven't had a radio in it. So I bought this Sony one that I got for the CRV. It's great. Look how little it is. Perfect. I bought the adapter for it. For the Civic harness, for the stock harness to go to the radio. Then I bought the kit with it also, but I don't even think I need the kit because I think this radio literally is just going to slide in and just fit perfectly. Because look how it is. And then it already has the stuff on it. I think it's literally just gonna slide in. This is already attached to it, I believe. I haven't put a radio in so long, but I don't even think I need to take that out. I think once I put that on, it's gonna clip into there. And I think I'm gonna be good. Yeah. And I don't even think I need this face for the outside, you know? We're gonna see. I really don't think so. So I paid $30 for all of that, basically just for this stupid shirt. We'll see. And there's only one wire in this one that is orange on this one, but not on the radio one. So I think that's probably for the stock radio, but we'll see right now. See if I did it right. Oh, guess I did it right. This one is red. The one on my CRV is blue. I guess I did it right. Let me set it up real quick.
Do I really have it stocked? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 plus 5. Never is a lie.
What up, guys? A few days later, my camera died. But the radio is in, works. Don't laugh at me. I have some beamers, right? Speaker beamers on the door. They're 4 and so small. This is the most ghetto shit I've ever did to my car. And I don't go fucking saying that. So I put some PRVs that I had, but. Bro, this is the most hooded shit ever, but I needed some good speakers. These are brand new, so put them there. I'm gonna put these kickers in the back because I have beamers back here too. I had to modify them for them to work, so that's what I did right there. But see how small they are? They're super small, so I'm gonna switch those out to those brand new kickers. I don't really care. The front will sound good. I just need some speakers in this car because I'm tired of listening to the mute, just listening to the to the car basically. So. Yeah. I just have to basically just take out. I just drilled them from the bottom up on both sides, so that's literally all I gotta do, and it's gonna come out completely. And I just drop in the new ones, and then we're good to go. Right, speakers in, panels all back in, cleaned up, all nice. Speakers sound way better, way more clear. I was able to mess with the tuning a little bit more better. So, but yeah, closing out the video here. Is the ending of the video. Hope you guys enjoy like this. This little vlog that I made. And yeah, I appreciate you guys watching. Like, comment, subscribe. Peace out. Shot. Say peace out. Say peace out. Say like and subscribe.
Like and subscribe.
See you later.
See you later.
Oh yeah, peace.